time as minus gravity. Look for evidence. So if same and same, meaning nothingness and nothingness, as that is the comparison, meaning by nothingness, that also there can only be infinity, meaning this nothingness is infinite. That then still would be nothingness, but as that is in for the only value that would have been, as very difficult described, this to be the comparison same and same, meaning only that nothingness as a value. That resulted to that there nothingness, following to something like a collision. Thus, somehow the idea to search for it is if the sum of minus infinity equals 0, as for our understanding, space-time missing somewhere, the value of it, resulting at information, because now that is now defining 0. That could be space-time. That's just missing. Thus, the sum of 0 equals minus infinity minus minus infinity, none extrapolating to a sole defined value. This is the idea behind it. Hence, now we have the comparison nothing to nothingness in terms of syntax. But for the explanation in this idea, I guess it's better to say that this value that has no value, that is just a hypothetical 0 basically, is by the comparison same and same, that there had only been nothingness, just as infinity. And hence infinity then at no value, meaning nothingness, as a collision to that there is that nothingness. And for that, the idea is if E is definitory as singular factor, that is the only that is missing off that space-time. Thus, by 0 equals m for that energy, meaning E by mc square, is that E by this definition is defined. If that premise would hold true, then sum and sum at no finiting to a colliding value would be the mathematical idea. Hence, eternal nothing means nothing but only nothing. And thus 0 equals 0 by that as a non-hypothetical 0, reasoning and resulting to a collision to rest of that would have then been, and that is then information, thus minus gravity.